French Road, Detroit, street racing, drag racing, whatever you want to call it. This is where it all happens. Normally at night, so I came in the daytime to show you how it is. All the little burnout marks for you. Yep, this is basically our track. Right on the side of the airport, and not the outer drive side. See the airport right there. They putting in curves in the middle, so they're gonna divide it up for us, the street race. So now we have our own lanes, so that's even better. All right, now let's show you my rust bucket. It's a daily driver, not a street racing car. Sorry. Yep, a little dirty now, but who cares? Yes, this is my parking spot right here. I'm always right here. Can't miss it. Okay, I guess I could do a little run. No, this is the stick shift. So that one don't want to start. See what I mean by daily driver? Raggedy. What the hell? Well, guess I'm stuck at the street races, huh? Or I put 10W40 oil in here, so that's the main problem. As you can see, it burns a lot of oil. Yep, plenty of smoke. Okay, let's try this round with no hands. Okay, burn out first. My front window dirty, who cares? Okay, this 6 mile Van Dyke right here.